Hi! In this part of the tutorial, I want to show you how to use the router monitoring app with different users. Let's first log in with the admin account with the password ChangeMe to see why it is necessary to have different users for the apps. If we open the menu, we see the app configuration. A different user can help you to protect this area. You not only define a new user, you also define what he will see. So let's click on Authentication and see how it's done. At the moment we only have the admin user with the admin menu. Before we create the user, we will create his menu. So click on the tab Menus and select New Item. We define the user menu and add a new item, which will be a router network menu. The menu we will define below the router network menu is shown for every router which is connected to Flow Director. So we give it the title Router Network, click on Add, and now it needs some content. The new user should have access to the current metrics overview. So we add a dashboard menu with tag selector, add the title Current, and choose also the tag Current. This tag you can find in the dashboard orchestrator at the metrics overview dashboard. Just select the tag Current to find it. We just use the tag of it, and the dashboard is shown in our menu. Since we don't want him to have access to any more dashboards, the user menu is finished. We go back to the tab Accounts, add a new item, add the name User with the password ChangeMe, and assign the menu user we have just created. Click on Add and the user is defined. To show it, let's log out from the admin account and log in again with the user account. So we type in the defined credentials and click on Login. Now we see also the start page, and after opening the menu, we only see our defined router menu. Since we have only one router connected to Flow Director, we have only one router shown. If we click now on the metrics overview, we see the dashboard as we see it with the admin user. The only difference is that we have no access to other information. This is how you define a new user and assign him a specific view of your router monitoring app. Thanks for watching and hope to see you next time.